In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, network the mission.
All right, that's right, guys. Piper Academy. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. Of course, this is the TA portion. This is the Trade Academy portion of the Piper Academy Network. My name is Joe, and it's TI for Trade Intuition. Thank you so much, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh man, market's green right now. Market is green. Not too much, but this could be the start of possibly a very good weekend. We shall see. Let me go over here. There we go. Make sure everything's good. All right, very nice. Let's see here. So the way the show runs is, of course, do Bitcoin. Then if you have any coins you would like me to do, let me know. If you have questions, man, I love questions. Please let me know that as well. And of course, we will get those for you. One thing I do want to look at is the heat map. We have a lot of let me refresh this. We have a lot of hotspots above and below. Look at this. The first one is right here, 101.8. This one is really hot, 102.2, and then 102.5. Lower, not too bad. See here, liquidation, man. It's a toughie. I mean, we're closer to up here than down here, so maybe we go up and then possibly coming down. We'll see. All right, let's go on to the charts. Bitcoin. So this one we were talking about. Let's go and zoom out a little bit. 4 hour, and we can see that we have this trend line from this level to this level. We have the bottom from here to here somewhere, and we're literally right in the middle. Are we going to break up, or are we going to come down? Let's go to the 1 hour. What's going on, guys? So happy you're here. On the 1 hour, man, this looks really messy. A little bit better. Much better. Okay. So with this, we did come down. We retested this area. As long as we can hold this level, I think we'll do all-time high. It'd be crazy if we did it this weekend. It really would. But maybe by next week, maybe. We'll see. It's going down the list, checking. All right, so we're going to do TAI. Yeah, that one's been ripping. TAI. Let's see here. Just watch part 2. Yeah, the final one I was trying to do today. Super busy. I'm gonna try to get it out possibly tomorrow, but still need to do the last part of the editing. But thank you very much. Going on the list. Yeah, and it's funny, when I first came into the crypto world, I would see those commercials. What? I send you 100, you send me 2 or 1,000 or whatever it was. If I would have known how to do it, I would have done it. But yeah, there's a lot of those coming out right now. All right. So for Bitcoin, You know, we came up here to this resistance zone that we are talking about, bounced off of here, once again came down, found support. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Found support on the 200 SMA, which is the yellow, and then started working its way up. Resisted on the 50 SMA, my red, and then finally broke up. And now, like I said, it's above this though. Let's see here. Yeah, so I think we're headed for the all-time high we set just under 10 days ago, December 5th. Can we do it? That's the question. Ooh, man. All right. Let's see here. Let's go over some of the coins that we've been looking at. YouTube. Go here. YouTube. I have a lot of what did I save it as? Oh, there it is. All right. So let's go ahead and start with dots. Now, of course, a lot of them, they did dump just due to Bitcoin. Oh yeah, let's go to TAI. Yeah, this one, really nice. Right now, hopefully we'll see if it bounces here. Right at this right here. So what I'm doing is going to lower time frames to see about an entry. I do it. I like it. See if this is the bounce. If not, you're gonna have to put a stop loss, like super tight. Let's see here. I'm already in too many trades. I was gonna take that trade too. So, question for everybody here. What is how many trades do you have open at one time? Active trades, not investments or nothing like that, to where you're actively trading them. Is it like 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20? How many active trades do you have open? Or do you prefer to have open rather? I have like 10. That's too many. Too many. All right. Let's see here. So yes, I do like this. I think we may get a possible bounce right in this area. And man, it's just been on fire. I mean, let's just take off all this stuff. Look at that. Man, that's nice. But yeah, hopefully we get the bounce right in this area that we're at. Start coming up. And then once we break this level, expect kind of like at least something to come down. Let's see, we got a random trade in the house. What's going on, my man? Okay. 1 to 2. We got to 1, we got 2 to 3. Active trades, really? That's well, y'all probably put more money in, so yeah. I'm thinking like, because mostly, well, that screams to me that y'all are veterans. Because most people, they're like, yeah, I have like 10, 20 trades open. It's like, no, those are risky stuff. Especially in the beginning. Like towards, once you're seasoned, you're like, yeah, I'm just going to do 1, 2, maybe 3. As opposed to 10. We got Lunar Beaches in the house. What's going on, man? JP. Username. All right, so let's go ahead and look at some of these. Jimmy. Yeah, I mean, I like it. Looks good. We do have an area of support. Oh, let me take this. Oh, I already got it. And we're right there too. I think it's gonna bounce. I mean, because look at these retracements. Up, down, a little bit more than this down. I think it's ready. 13 trades open. Yeah. But they're all very small positions, low leverage. And you know, I was looking for that bounce earlier today. But I think it's gonna bounce already. Link has been on fire. Link has been on fire. Gonna continue doing this thing. You know, people are projecting minimum 3x. And I agree. 3 to 5x. I think more along the lines of 5x, just because all of the partnerships they have, everything they're doing, they're not just, you know, oracles. They're, you know, having to deal with security and everything else. They're making some moves, and their established coin is also. I think Link is a solid one. Let's see here. But Link, we identified this trend line, went up to it, got rejected, went up again, got rejected. You have this trend line here too. This could be the start of a bounce. So coming down, coming up, we would have to go on a lower time frame for possible entry. Oh. And what I'm looking for is ups and downs. So up, down. So it would be this level that we would enter. And that way we don't get caught holding it. So once it breaks this level on the 15-minute time frame, you can try to enter it. But if you tried it right now, it could do this, and then continue downward, and you're in the trade versus just waiting. Set an alert. Here. Looking for requests. No requests. Okay. Next one, but I do like this one. Next one is Peak. Man, Peak has come down. We were in this one. I believe we were in profit. I'm not for sure though. But look at that. Great candles, down, up, and then it just lost the steam. Start coming down. Looking for a bounce. I was in this trade a little higher leverage, and I'm glad I took the loss I did. Because wow, this is a big move. Let's see here. We got near. Near to me looks good. It looks good. Turbo. We will do turbo. This one looks really good. And for those of you who do cup and handles, this is not a cup and handle. Here's your cup. The handle needs to come down at least a third. But give you. All right. So let us look at turbo. I think we have turbo here. Doing good, my friend. Doing good. Okay. So that's the end of the list right there. So we have Turbo, we have Cody, we have Clear. Okay. No more, please. No more. No more tickets. No more tickets. Yeah, just put it in the chat. That'll be the last one. No more after that. All right. So for turbo, let's clear everything off here. Go to the daily. I like it. We're fixing to get a possible reversal already. Just by looking at the run-ups. the run-ups and the pullbacks. So I'm guessing we're in this area. So I would wait for entry just a little bit lower. 4 hour. Oh, we might be at the bounce. Go to the 1 hour. So I'm looking for those pivots. And they're all right here. This could be the start of the curvature for the bounce. But it would have to break this zone. 5%, yeah. I like it. I would wait 5% more or longer. If you want to be an aggressive and do this as an aggressive entry, then you could. Let's go here. Let's make this one a white. Because it looks like it's going to start. But it can still continue to go down. This is... no, I wouldn't even do it for 5%. I'd wait. I would set an alert right here. I'm actually going to set this one too. So I would set an alert right here. And then I would wait for the 15-minute candle to close above this level. And then it'll be a good trade. But I don't think I would risk it for 5%. But this does look like it's going to bounce. Possible. All right. So we did that one. Let's do Cody. M. What was it? STR. MS. You can skip one of mine. Add. Okay, cool. Turbo. This one. So that's what I do. I do that. It's a safer play, but like I said, it looks like it might be curvy. Turbo Cody. So the next one is Cody. See. Zoom out. Delete everything. Okay. Very nice accumulation. Nice run up, pull back, taking up this liquidity. I like what I see. We've got this. You got this level. So we bottom the candle closes, wick, almost wick, wick. So that's why I chose that area. And then we have this. Let's go to the 4 hour. Just constant up. Had a pullback, which is good. Looks ready to me. I like it. What's a stop loss? This is either going to be a tiny stop loss or a large stop loss. I'm going to say 15. Ooh, way off. There's no way I would do that. So, at the risk of getting stopped out, I can do 15. We'll do 15. So this will be the stop loss. And we would do an enter now. Okay. One moment. Okay. Okay. So let's look for a target. We need at least a 2-to-1, but we can easily do a 3-to-1. We already marked out our levels. This is a 12. Get more stuff in here. And Cody's a nice market cap too. Target. We'll just do that. There's more. Oh no, there's no more. But this is what I would do. I like it. It looks strong. It looks very strong. You know, we had this 12-hour accumulation, run up, kept on, then took this liquidity, which is good. This makes me feel really good that it did that. And then started coming up. If this pulls back, it'll pull back like 38% to maybe 50%, be 0.32. I like this one. This looks good to me. See, that is Cody. Where's my YouTube? Okay. Let's do CELR USDT. This one's nice too. Let's delete everything. So we have this really nice zone right here. And it's right in that zone. I don't think it'll come down. I think this is going to be the lowest point right in this zone right here that we'll see this one. You know, I think it's just going to be going up from here. That's a beautiful bowl. I think this will be the lowest point because let's just say it does continue going down. More than likely, I'll do something like this. But due to where we're at in the market, I think it's going to happen much sooner. Something like this. If it takes that long. But let's look at the 4-hour. Coming down. I don't think it's ready to bounce yet. On this one, you could you could enter on the 4-hour candle close above this level for a long. Knowing that you have resistance right here, you know that you could put maybe 25 or 50% of your investment here. Once it breaks this level, then you could do the rest. And again, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Nothing on this network is financial advice. Despite what username thinks. Going on the list. All right, so the next one. But this one I do like. This one, again, it does look strong. Looks ready too. Man, can you imagine if it went back to all-time high? Ooh, doggy. That's a whole bunch of X's. Let's turn this off. Just to here. It's almost a 2x. To here. Almost a 4x. Here, 6. Nice. I like it. Let's see here. The next one, it's a stock. MSTR. All right, MicroStrategies. This was really nice. Of course, it's easy to say that in the hindsight. This looks nice. I do like this. So of course we had a run up, pullback, run up, pullback. Took almost like 38% of this run up. So this, and now it looks like it's starting to gain momentum, gain strength. And you can see this curve. I like this one a lot. Now, where would my stop loss be? Well, let me see the difference. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. I thought it was like 1%. How much is it down? %20 is a lot for stock people. Because this, to me, this will be a good spot, but we could do 15. So this will be our stop loss. We would do 2 entries. One right now, it's an aggressive entry. Let me see. I don't think that top one will work with this. Yeah, the top one won't work. So I have to use this one. You know, we're breaking out. So that's good. The safer, let me do this, would be the break of this level. And due to the previous, can we do it on a 1 hour? We'd have to do it on a 4 hour. So the 4 hour, oh, let me do this. Be up here, 20% again. Oh, we have to do it. The 4 hour candle has to close above this level. If it closes underneath it, we may start to see something like this. And then now just continuation of this. That's what I think. Let's see here. Let's see. Since you're in here, what do you think about micro strategies? Gonna do. Going on the list. Okay. List. Okay. Yeah, everything. All right. So, I mean, I like it. It's looking strong. I see this curvature here. If this is too low, I mean, you could technically have it underneath here, about 12%. So depending on your risk tolerance, will depend on what you do. So stop loss 1, stop loss 2, but we would need our alert to go off. So the alert at 427.96. Once we get alerted, the 4 hour candle must close above this. And then it's good. I like it. I like it a lot. All right. Let's see here. Were there any other coins? Any other coins? Let's look at dots. Well, let's do this on watch list. Okay. And this one broke through our resistance zone like crazy. So we drew it from this level to this level, or pivot. And then of course it ran its course. And it actually created a zone. So I used this level again to the bottom of the wick. And it had a chance to bounce here. Couldn't do it. Bounce here. Couldn't do it. And here we go to the downside. But I was really hoping that we were going to find support. That we can continue up. Right here, this one's looking the same. Same as that other one. And we're going to find a lot too. We're going to find a lot of coins that it's literally the same. See, this one hasn't curved yet. So that's one thing that I like doing is I like looking at all these coins. And if I see that, you know, most coins have, you know, done this really nice curve, and every coin I'm looking at, it's got the same pattern. And then one of the coins is at the start of that curve. That's the coin I'm going to get into, because hopefully it'll do that curve as well. Let's see here. Let's do some gas. Yes, let's do that one. Okay. Okay. A-S-S-U-I. And that's it. All right. Let's see here. Let's go to the first one. All right, let's go make C. It's good. It's already curving up. I like that. This is a nice pullback. Taking all, because it just ran up. There was some smaller pullbacks, but let's zoom out. Let's get rid of all this. I like it. We're almost at the very top of this range. We had a bull trap prior. So we had a trap. This is on the 3-day. We had a bull trap, another wick, bull trap. Very strong bull trap right here. It looked like they were going to possibly make it bounce. Rejection. What is the price range tool? Say between where it's at right now and up here. So we're going to miss out on about, man. So from where it's at right now, 10, okay. So you could front run this. We are getting very, very bullish lately. If it comes down, how far down do I think it's going to go? 30%. Yep. Like you can easily pull back 30%. So if this was a longer term play for me, I would enter now and then have a lower entry just above the 30, maybe about here. This will be an entry, a lower entry. But if I'm doing this for a trade, well, let's see. But yeah, if this was long term, I'd enter now and then I'd have a lower entry here. Hopefully that's all you have to enter. If it goes even lower, then, excuse me, then I would, of course, just double down. And by doubling down, you lower your average entry. So yes. Let's go to the daily. Now what we're doing is we're looking for just the movement. You know, is it breaking trend lines? Is it finding support? Now it did break our trend line. Oh, I thought it did. So I'm using this spot and this spot. And these almost came to it. Okay, so my opinion is still bullish. It's still in this uptrend. And I like how it's taking the liquidity. It's going up, pulling back. Nice pullback. Went up, pulled back, same thing. So it's taking like 50% of the liquidity, if not more, after each run up. And then here it took all of the percent. I think it's ready to bounce. 4 hour. We have this trend line that it's about to break. Higher low. Broke this trend line already. It's on the 1 hour time frame. And it's breaking this level. Looks bullish. I would even do, well, before I say it, let's see, I would even do a leverage trade, but how tight is this? No, I go right here. This would be my very tight stop loss. Copy. So you can use this as a regular trade. And we'll mark it right here. This is YouTube entry. Okay. So there's an entry. I like it. Tight stop loss. And then I think it's going to break out this level right here. Okay. Target time. So your first target, it's right here. Target. This one is your stop loss. And I'm going to go ahead and also enter this. But I'm going to do low leverage. Low leverage. Let's see here. KAS. Look at the 15-minute again. Checking. Yeah, I'll enter. Moment. Okay. All right. Very good. I like it. Looks good to me. And there are your targets. Well, at least one of them. Okay, let's go ahead and make this a little bit fancy. Okay. Let's do this. think I just copied it. Oh. There we go. Target. And stop loss. Okay, and stop loss. Yep. Oh man, I gotta sneeze. Okay, I'm back. Whew, I was searching for that camera button. Where's the camera? Camera! Kill the cameras. Yeah. Let's see here. Yes, guys, definitely smash the like. Smashing the like does help support the channel. You guys are great, and I really like this one. It's an easy setup too. Not like it's not that it's hard to identify. It's the easiness is that it broke out of this level already, this trend. It did a retrace. Hopefully this is the extent of the retrace. And then we got this level, and then from there, there's not a lot of volume in this. This will be like a low volume node right here. And that all that means is all the ups and downs. Good. And then of course, yes, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Of course, it's Trade Intuition. I'm just hosting this show for the 4 o'clock for the Trade Academy. But yeah, definitely sign up to my channel. Going to the list, I'm getting pretty good at reading these comments prior to posting. You guys are nuts. I love you guys. All right. So this one I like. Have y'all heard about this coin? We gave this call out earlier today on my stream, and when we called it out, it already hit our first target and well on its way to the second target. Now I gave this one in the my VIP group, the Telegram one, this call yesterday, and our first target was about 30%. About a day later was 35%. A day and a half later, it was 50 something percent. Here, just a few hours, I did literally like 4 hours ago, I did my stream, and it's where we confirm. Yeah. So first target hit within a few hours, and then it's coming up real quick. Now, normally I would not enter this coin. And yes, I am slightly invested in this coin. Normally I would not invest in this coin because of this run up. I would say, oh, I'm gonna wait for a retrace. But this coin is brand new. We caught it the day of release, and it's on the SUI network, SUI network, and I think it's going to do great things. So definitely DYOR, do your own research. It's Bluefin. The ticker is BLUE. Because it's new, because the SUI network is just going crazy, I do believe that Blue is going to do some amazing work. Now, I do have some information on Blue. I did on my stream, on my live stream, I had information. Nope, that's okay. I'll take that off. Let's go ahead and do that. I don't see any questions. Yeah, guys, smash the like. It's free. It's free. Yeah, Sui. Let's check out Sui. But I would definitely check this one out. DYOR, bluefin. It's good stuff. So let us check Sui. And then that one will be the last one. I have an order 16 minutes. Nice. All right. Let's see. Sui. Okay. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's delete all this. Ooh, 50 drawings. Good Lord. Daily. Weekly. And up only. Ooh. Man. Just a year to do all that. Just imagine what it's going to do this coming year. That's crazy. All right, go to the daily. What I'm doing is I'm looking at all the ups and downs. How far down did it go? How fast was it to go back up, break the previous level? It looks good, but this was a very fast run up. Doesn't mean that it can continue. Just the market makers would love to come back down here. But if it gets extremely bullish, they may let it go up before possibly coming back down here. Because just look at this. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This was kind of a big move. And what did it do? Eventually, it took it, creating little areas of liquidity up top. Came down, took all this, then starts working its way up. But this time it went straight up. It took this liquidity, this liquidity, this liquidity, this one, all in pretty much one shot. Then it continued going up. So, I mean, I love this coin. I really want to long it. The only way that I would long this coin is, and I'll show you. For this one, the 1 hour, due to the way it's moving very fast. Shoot, man, I didn't enter now, but for a safer entry, I would set an alert right here, 5.0915. The 1 hour candle, due to the sporadic and drastic moves, the 1 hour candle has closed above 4.8289, 4.8929. This one looks ready to pop. I just want to look at it again. 4 hour daily. I don't see anything that would make it not want to go. Nice run up. Lot, man. That worries me. But I mean, it's done it before. It's done run ups and just continues going. Nice bounce. I think it's going to break that area. So basically, I think it's going to go up and not down. That's what I think. Okay, let's check real quick, see if there's anything. All right, I think we're good. All right, guys, well, that's it for the show. Let's double check with Bitcoin before we, that's right, you guessed it, before we go. Right now, we're still battling the zone. Look at that. We're still battling it. I mean, we have good buying pressure and selling pressure. Giving this time for the 9 SMA, the white, to cross above the 50. So now we're in sequential order 9, 50, which is the red, and then the yellow 200. To me, it looks like it's I think it's gonna go. And if it does dump our first, and what I'll do is I'll put this, and I'll do set alert, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say dump question mark. This is 12 December 15. So if we break this level, there's a pretty good chance that we may do this. And then maybe bounce here. We'll see. Well, pretty much what I thought here, where I was saying down, up, down, up, down. Same thing. This is down, up, down, up, down. That's what I think. But since the price action is right here, this is if it breaks this level. If not, off to the races. Off to the races. All right. So let's see here. Going on the list. All right. Let's see. Okay. So I believe we're done. I do thank you guys very much for everything. We'll see you on, let's see, today's Friday. So I guess we'll see you on a Monday. All right. Of course, you can always check me out on my channel. Go live every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday and Sunday. I do thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next show. Take care.
In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with Trade Intuition.